What's up everyone? Today I'm going to show you how to make a Windows computer faster if this hasn't been done already. To do that, go to Control Panel by clicking on the Windows logo and type on the keyboard Control Panel and open it up. Then you'll want to click on System and Security, click on Power Options, click on Change Plan Settings under the power plan that you are already on. Click on Change Advanced Power Settings. Scroll down to Processor Power Management. Click on Minimum Processor State. And most of the times, if you're on the balanced power plan, it would be set to 5% as minimum. This is a desktop and you don't have to worry about battery life. So just set this to 100. And be sure to check the maximum to make sure that is also 100%. And if there's a system cooling policy, set that to active. Now hit apply and click OK, and there should be a noticeable difference in speed. Now if you're using a laptop, you may not want to set it to 100% for the minimum state, but set it a little higher. But you will notice a drop in battery life. At least that's what I've experienced with laptops, but with desktops, set them to 100% because there's no battery to worry about. So that should have a noticeable effect on the speed, especially on slower and older computers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe if you found this video helpful.